Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope so you are well. Nowadays we often apply to Canadian student visa by ourselves in our home, but unfortunately we do forget to upload our document while applying our visa, or maybe we just got our important document after applying. If we face those problems, then what's the solution? But don't worry, I am Siam, and today in this video I tell you the solution about that problem. So let's go for it. If we do those type of mistakes, or if we face those type of problem, then we can simply do that. We can re-upload, or we can send our documents again to Canadian Embassy Visa Officers through web form. So let's go for it, how we can upload our documents through web form.
First of all, we will open any browser, then write IRCC web form. Then we will go www.cic.gc.ca. The link will be shown in my description. After going that link, we will be see that page. Then if we scroll down and click the tell us more, then we can see, have you submitted an application for student, visitor or worker or permanent resident? Then we have to select yes. The next question, they said that if we are outside of Canada or not, and then we have to select the location of embassies. We have to select Singapore if we live in Bangladesh. Then we will hit go to web form button. After clicking that page, we will be redirected and we have to select the field. And if we click the question mark, then we can see the elaborate of that question. And your inquiry section, I have to write why we use web form. We have to write some valid reasons, and our message must be in English or French or Canadian's official languages. And we have to remember that the maximum size of our inquiries have to 1500 characters. After writing, then we have to fill up all the required fields, and the UCI or client ID number and application number, we can find that number from our GCK account where we first upload our documents. The link will be shown in my iCard and also shown in my description. Then you can also check that video, that how we can apply to Canadian visa through online. After filling all the required fields, then we check the checkbox and hit the next button. Then we click yes button if we want to upload some document. Here they said that the file must be 2 MB or smaller, and if we include multiple files, then the total size must be 3.5 MB or smaller. And then also said that we have to upload PDF, JPG or doc format. Then we just simply upload our document. And if we click that link, then the uploaded documents will be shown. After clicking submit button, we will be redirected that page, and here they said that we have to verify our email address and our date of birth. After checking the fields, we click the next button and we see our success page.